Hello student, today I am going to teach you English subject. Before starting the topic, I want to ask one question to you. That is, which is your favorite game? Everyone has their own favorite game and every student has their own favorite game, right? Which is yours? Like badminton, cricket, football, hide and seek. You are observing that I am only asking about the game of outdoor, not indoor. I am asking about the game that was played by outdoor. Okay, in that I wanna tell you about one outdoor game, that is hide and seek, which were performed by you and me. Whenever we have that kind of time, we have to perform this kind of games, that is hide and seek. So, what is hide and seek? So, in that, one he has to hide, another he has to chase that hiding person. Understand? But today, the game was performed by the sun and the rain. So, today, I'm gonna teach you poem number 1, A Pretty Game. Okay, so the topic is A Pretty Game, एक प्यारा खेल. The sun and the rain in fickle weather. What is meant by fickle? Fickle means something change quickly or suddenly. Understand? The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together. Sun और rain क्या कर रहे हैं? They were playing a game. Which game they were playing? They were playing the game hide and seek. सूरज और बरसात दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ एक खेल खेल रहे हैं. कौन सा खेल खेल रहे हैं? एक ऐसा खेल जिसमें एक छुप रहा है और एक उसको पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है. कौन पकड़ने की एक दूसरे को कोशिश कर रहा है? कभी सन तो कभी बरसात. ठीक है. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together. दोनों एक साथ एक गेम खेल रहे हैं जो कि है hide and seek. And each in turn would try to chase. What is meant by chase? Chase means to catch or to grab that person who is hiding. Understand? And each in turn would try to chase. What is meant by chase? Chase means to catch someone from that place or run out that person. Understand? So each in turn would try to chase and other from his hiding place. मतलब कि सन और रेन जो गेम खेल रहे हैं, ये गेम में जो खेल खेल रहे हैं सन और रेन, ये दोनों क्या कर रहे हैं? एक दूसरे को पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बट वो पकड़ एक दूसरे को नहीं पा रहे हैं, बिकॉज दे वर प्लेइंग हाइड एंड सीक गेम. अंडरस्टैंड? At last they met to say goodbye and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. At last the game was over and they have to meet each other, and whenever they met each other, what happened? They say goodbye. दोनों गेम खत्म करके जब मिल रहे हैं, जो खेल खत्म करके जब वो मिल रहे हैं, मिलने के बाद वो एक दूसरे को क्या कर रहे हैं? बाय बोल रहे हैं, गुड बाय बोल रहे हैं. लेकिन जैसे ही उन्होंने एक दूसरे से मिल के गुड बाय बोला तो क्या हुआ? एक बड़ा सा रेनबो अपीयर्ड हुआ. कहाँ अपीयर्ड हुआ? स्काई में. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ आई एम रिसाइटिंग द पोएम. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. What is meant by spanned? Spanned means it's spread one end to the other. Understand? So the sun and the rain were playing hide and seek. Okay, after playing they met each other and say goodbye. And what happened when they met each other? द रेनबोज पेंट द स्काई। जब सन और रेन एक दूसरे से जब मिलते हैं, जब धूप और बरसात एक दूसरे से मिलती है, तो एक बहुत खूबसूरत सा वातावरण क्रिएट होता है इन आवर एटमॉस्फेयर। एंड इन दैट फॉर्मिंग दैट एटमॉस्फेयर, what happened? A beautiful rainbow span in the sky. Understand everyone? The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. The poet says that the sun and the rain are playing hide and seek in the sky. The weather is changing quickly. The sun and the rain in turn to try to chase each other out from their hiding place. Finally, they meet to say goodbye. At this moment, a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky that was spreading from one end to the other. I hope you liked the poem. In this poem, what happened at last? At last, that happened that sun and the rain were met each other and say goodbye. Now, it's a time for me that say goodbye to you all. I hope you like the poem. जैसे कि सन और रेन जब गेम खेल के घर जा रहे हैं तो एक दूसरे को क्या बोल रहे हैं? बाय बोल रहे हैं। वैसे ही मैं आप लोगों से भी बाय बोल रही हूँ। आई होप यू लाइक द पोएम और आप सभी को ये पोएम अच्छी से समझ में आई होगी। सो प्लीज़ लर्न दिस पोएम। थैंक यू।